Here's a 2018 Audi Q5. This is a luxury crossover with incredible beauty and technology inside and out. 2018 marks the first year of a redesign with new styling and additional tech features. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, external memory control, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and refrigerated box located in the glove box. Car and Driver reports all the Q5s come with electrically assisted power steering that actually has a sufficient amount of feedback for an SUV. It looks sharp, drives smoothly, and handles twists and turns with ease. Experience it for yourself today.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.